A stable and convenient ironing board can make all the difference in your laundry routine. In this video, we'll explore the top 5 ironing boards on Amazon that combine functionality, comfort, and durability. Let's start with the BARTNELLI Heavy-Duty Ironing Board, a top-tier choice for those who demand serious performance. This model is often referred to as the Volkswagen of ironing boards due to its solid build and superior stability. Measuring 60 by 15 inches, it offers a spacious ironing surface covered with 4 layers of heat-resistant padding, ensuring a smooth glide with every press. The height can be adjusted from 27 to 38 inches, accommodating users of different heights and preferences. Its European-quality steel frame and wide legs with non-slip caps prevent any wobbling during heavy use, making it ideal for both occasional ironing and weekly family loads. The built-in iron rest is sturdy and well-placed, and users consistently highlight how this board improves comfort and productivity while ironing. It's a premium option that delivers long-term reliability. Next is the Brabantia Size B ironing board, another standout model known for blending sleek design with everyday practicality. This 49 by 15 inch board features a sturdy steel frame and thick cotton cover, supported by a dense foam underlay. What makes the Brabantia board special is its thoughtful attention to safety and usability. It comes with a child safety lock that keeps it securely in place during use and storage, as well as 7 height adjustments to optimize your ironing posture. It includes a heat-resistant iron rest with a robust metal frame, and the non-slip feet ensure it stays grounded no matter how vigorously you work. Many users praise this board for its professional-grade feel and smooth folding mechanism. It's the ideal blend of form and function for everyday users looking for a hassle-free experience. Third on our list is the Amazon Basics Full-Size Ironing Board, a reliable, budget-friendly option for those who want solid performance without overspending. This 60 by 14 inch board provides a generous ironing surface and includes a chevron-patterned cotton cover with foam padding. The adjustable height and 4-leg design make it surprisingly stable for its price range, and it folds flat for convenient storage in closets or laundry room. It may not have the advanced features of higher-end models, but for most households, it gets the job done well. It's especially well-suited for light to medium ironing loads, and its no-frills design appeals to users looking for a dependable, easy-to-use solution. For basic home use, this is a smart and economical choice. For those with limited space, the Joseph Pocket Folding Ironing Board is a game-changer. Unlike traditional full-sized boards, this tabletop model is compact and foldable, making it perfect for small apartments, RVs, or dorm room. When folded, it's roughly the size of a large briefcase and includes a wall-mounted storage hook. Once unfolded, it provides a 35.5 by 13 inch surface, enough for touch-ups and quick ironing sessions. It features non-slip feet, a secure iron holder, and a padded cover that allows for even, safe pressing. Despite its size, it's remarkably stable and well-built. Users love its portability and smart space-saving design. If you're tight on space or need a secondary board for fast fixes, the Joseph Pocket is a stylish and efficient solution. Lastly, we have the Amazon Basics Compact Tabletop Ironing Board, another excellent choice for small spaces. This 31 by 12 inch board is compact, foldable, and lightweight, with a snap lock mechanism to prevent accidental collapse. It includes a retractable hook for easy hanging and storage. The steel legs are fitted with anti-skid rubber caps to keep it steady during use. The padded surface and cover provide decent heat resistance and smooth ironing performance. It's particularly useful for apartments, guest rooms, or as a backup in larger households. While it may not be ideal for large batches of ironing, it's perfect for quick garment touch-ups and everyday use.